Yeah. What's the unit?
Kilometers.
Kilometers?
Yeah.
Kilometers per minute. Great. Now, I want everyone to take a look. What's happening? Look at your paper. What's happening between 10 minutes and 15 minutes? It stays the same. So what is the car doing? Going straight. So Tangelo says the car is still going straight. What do you think? It's not speeding up? But is it moving?
Yeah.
So if it's moving, how come the distance doesn't increase?
It could be going faster speed.
Because speed.
Okay. So let's say I'm the car, okay? I'm the car. Let's take a look. I'm at zero. I'm at zero right now. Look on your graph. I'm at zero on the graph. I'm moving. Now I'm at 5. Now I'm at 10. Now I'm at 15. Now I'm at 20. I stopped moving.
So the higher it is,
But am I moving? Is the time still moving?
yeah.
So the time is still increasing, but the distance is not increasing. So let me ask you again, what's happening between 10 and 15 seconds?
The car is stopped.
The car is stopped. When we see that line is straight, that means that there's no increase in the movement. So I wait. 15 minutes hits. Now what happens? I start moving again, and I start moving faster this time. How can you tell that it's moving faster?
Because of the speed.
Because it's going up, right? So what can we conclude here between, what are the patterns that we see? When it's flat, what's happening?
And you stop.
It stopped, it's not moving. When it's going up,
It's going fast.
it's going fast. But when it's going way up,
It's going straight.
so what do we call this line here on the graph? Have you guys learned that yet? Have you ever heard of a slope? Yeah?
Yeah.
Who knows what a slope is?
It's like, it's a bit of.
Okay. So a slope, right? Let's think of a ski slope. It's slanted. It's slanted, right? It's a slant. The higher that slant is,
The car goes just
the faster that car is going on this graph. Okay? Let's take a look at number 4 really quick. Okay? This is your guys' turn to draw it. Okay? Stefan and his dad drove from their house at a constant speed for 10 minutes to get to the museum. Stefan, who wants to be Stefan? Raise your hand. Somebody wants to be Stefan. I'm picking somebody to be Stefan. Justin, you're Stefan. Come up here. Quick. Okay. Okay. Stefan and his dad drove at a constant speed for 10 minutes. Where are we going? What? Oh, you don't need. Okay, you can bring it back. It says Stefan and his dad drove at a constant speed for 10 minutes. Right? Where are we going to make our first point? Who can tell me where we're making our first point in the graph?
At 10.
At 10, right? You got it? Where? Okay. How far were they at 10 minutes? Who can tell Justin? 30. Let's take this line here is 30, okay? Okay? This line here is 30. So where do we make the point? 30 at 10 seconds, right? What happens next?
check.
Wait.
Who can tell me what happens next?
They went back home.
They went back home. So did they keep going this direction? Which way did they go?
Back.
Because this is now 20, 10, 40, right? So did they go up another to the 40?
No.
How far did they go back?
10.
10 minutes. It doesn't say how far they went. So they went another 10 minutes, right? And it says they got how far back to their house?
They got halfway.
Halfway. How much is halfway home? If they left, they got 30 kilometers away. 15. Go ahead. You can go on. 10 seconds after that, they got how far back home, close to home did they get?
Halfway.
Out. How far back home? Close to home did they get? They got halfway home. 15. So like 20 and 15. Go ahead. 20 and 15. There you go. Okay? All right, wonderful. You can take a seat. Thank you, Justin. Two claps for Justin on 2, 1, 2. It wasn't everybody. It was like 3 people. 2 claps for Justin on 2, 1, 2. Cool. Let's take a quick look at this. We started here, right? We came here, right? Then what happened? They turned around. Now we go down. What did we say this means when you're going up? You're going fast, right? You're going fast in one direction. And when you're going straight, then what's happening? You're stopped. You're not moving. But when you're going down, not going slower, not going faster, you're going back. You're going backwards. Okay? That's how I want you guys to read these. Okay? I'm going to pass you guys exit tickets now.